Hello friends, this is your question. How do we find out the value of x? You can pause the video and try it yourself. Okay, let's begin. So our question is 144 raised to square root of x is equal to x raised to 12. What we are going to do is, let's raise 1 upon 12 times square root of x at both the sides. So we have 144 raised to square root of x whole raised to 1 upon 12 times square root of x is equal to x raised to 12 whole raised to 1 upon 12 times square root of x. Now, as per the rule, if we have a raised to b whole raised to c, then it will be a raised to b times c. According this rule, we can multiply these two and these two. So we have 144 raised to square root of x upon 12 times square root of x is equal to x raised to 12 upon 12 times square root of x. These two get cancelled out and here these two get cancelled out. So we have 144 raised to 1 upon 12 is equal to x raised to 1 upon square root of x. Now 144 is 12 square. So it can be written as 12 times 12 whole raised to 1 upon 12 is equal to, and x is also can be written as square root of x square. So we can write it like square root of x times square root of x whole raised to 1 upon square root of x. Now check the positions both the sides. The square root of x and 12 both are positioned at same places. So obviously we can equate square root of x is equal to 12. Squaring both the side, this square and square root get cancelled out and 12 square is 144. So x is equal to 144 is the answer. Let's try this value in the given equation, and given equation is 144 raised to square root of x is equal to x raised to 12. Putting x is equal to 144, square root of 144 is equal to 144 raised to 12. 144 is 12 square, so we can write it square root of 12 square is equal to, this square and square root get cancelled out, so we have 144 raised to 12 is equal to 144 raised to 12. So x is equal to 144 is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We will meet in the next one. Bye bye.